Hello and welcome back to my channel. Happy holidays, even though, but I get hot, so we're in a tube top. Today we're gonna do a holiday makeup look. I feel like I watch a lot of holiday makeup looks on YouTube and I'm like, I don't want to put that much time into my face. So I'm doing a really easy one and stuff. This is sitting on a toilet. Some YouTubers have a full filming setup and I sit on the toilet. Anyway, so there's a lot of makeup looks that go around that like I think are really beautiful and really great and I think that they're amazing, but like I'm lazy. So I'm gonna do a holiday makeup look that is for lazy people like me. This video is sponsored by Neutrogena. We are gonna be talking about the Neutrogena Hydro Boost line. I have talked about this a few times in videos. I've been using this since the summer and I think this is like my third or fourth bottle. It's a great body moisturizer. It's already super dry outside. My skin is already dry. My skin is not happy. So every time I come out of the shower, I moisturize. Something my mama taught me. You gotta moisturize after the shower. So this has been really great for my super dry skin. It's for normal to dry skin. It has hyaluronic acid in it. It has a really lightweight, kind of like feathery texture to it. Makes your skin feel super hydrated, but doesn't leave it feeling like heavy or greasy, you know? It kind of just dries quickly, which was great because I feel like in the winter, you're trying to put your clothes on as fast as possible after the shower because you're freezing cold. As you can see, it makes my skin just look super healthy and glowy, and I love that. They also have the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hand Gel Cream, which is great because, like, I don't know if you guys know this about me, my hands are so dry. Like, it's disturbing. So I like to put that cream like in my bag and just kind of like carry it around, and I cream my hands like 20 times a day because my hands are not the cutest. Okay, so for makeup, we're just gonna do really pretty holiday makeup that I don't know, I think it's a nice holiday look that you can wear to all the holiday parties or like Christmas dinner, whatever, Hanukkah dinner. The first product I'm gonna use is the Nude Sticks Tinted Cover. This is a really lightweight product. Where is my, and it's nice because you can build up the coverage. So for me specifically, I like having one product that I can use all the time, but if I have bad skin, I can just like build it up. So I'm using 3.5 because I do have a bit of a glow going, but normally I am like a 3 because I am pale. So I'm just gonna buff it out with a brush. You could also apply this with your fingers. Whatever you want, whatever your heart desires. I feel like I'm gonna bring you in a little. So I'm just doing one layer of this to even out the skin tone. I haven't filmed a makeup video in this place yet, so it's always difficult. And then any excess, I'm just gonna bring down my neck because my neck is literally always pale. No matter how tan I am, my neck isn't down. I'm gonna use the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer to go under my eyes and on any little blemishes. And then I'm gonna blend out with the same brush. I'm like so tired. I did F45 this morning. I don't know if you guys watch my Instagram. I always post my F45 workouts and it was just like, I don't know, I feel so tired after it. Like my body feels so tired. I'm weak, I'm tired, burnt out. It's December. I think we're all waiting for Christmas break, right? I also do have a holiday lookbook on my channel. I know some people were a little disappointed that I didn't have like fancy outfits, but I've honestly never been invited to a fancy holiday party. Didn't really know that that was like a thing. So I didn't include them, but I will keep that in mind for next year because a lot of people wanted that and I didn't deliver. Whoops. Next time. To bronze up my skin, I've been using the By Terry Brightening CC Serum. If you saw my Revolve Beauty, I was on Revolve, actually it was Revolve, but it was a beauty video. And I used this product and I've been using it since to bronze the skin. I love cream products in the winter. Again, skin so dry, need all the cream. And I feel like powder can just look a little dry on my skin. So I'm just trying to use like creamy hydrating products. So this is like a nice, I find this a nice base for the bronzing you're gonna do. My face is also always lighter than my body, and right now my chest is lighter than my arms. I don't really know what's going on. Maybe I didn't do a good self-tan job. But I love the way that this bronzes up the face. Oh, hello. Don't forget the ear holes. And then I haven't used this product yet, but I see a lot of people contouring with it, so we're gonna try it out today. This is the Nude Sticks Nudies Tinted Blur Stick in Deep 8. I don't know if this is the right color, but I just got it. Because I feel like this is a look that you'll probably be wearing at night, we can go a little bit more intense on the bronze and tan and contour. This is nice. Oh, very nice. Hello. It's a great contour. And it's like very light. I was using a foundation, a dark foundation for a while to contour. But this is really nice. Pretty. Pretty! For blush, I'm gonna use Naughty and Spice by Nude Sticks. I'm a big Nude Sticks girl, apparently. And then what I like to do is I like to blend it with NARS South Beach, because I feel like it gives you like literally the prettiest glow ever, and they're very similar, but together, the color is like magic. And I do this like foundation, what I'm doing right now, I do this every day. Like, this is my everyday makeup, but we're just gonna make it all holiday with the eyes and the lips. You could also, if you were going out at night, and you just wanted more full coverage, I love the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation. I think it's great. I like to put it on my nose a little bit. Okay, let's go in with the eyes. We could get all fancy and use eyeshadow, or we could use 2 cream products and be done with it. I am going to first use, this is Charlotte Tilbury Jean, and this is like a go-to of mine. I love this product. It's like I'm just gonna show it to you on my hand first. Like a beautiful, just like a beautiful champagne color. I love it. It's just sparkly and pretty. Ugh, what a great color. So I'm gonna put this just on my eyelids, like so, and then bring it into the inner corner. It's just like a really subtle, nice champagne. And if you want it to be a bit more intense, you can easily build it up. What I'm doing is I'm just taking it on my ring finger, I'm wiping excess in the back of my hand, and then just dabbing it on. And I like to like bring my inner corner kind of colors just like up here. I feel like it lifts the eyes really nicely, and I like that. And then dab the rest on the eyelid. And then next, I'm gonna take these Hourglass Scattered Light Glitter eyeshadows. This is the one in Ray, and this one is beautiful. I have been using this for a while now, and I didn't think that I was gonna like them. Again, I'm gonna show you the color. It's like a really, like built up, it's like a really pretty brown, but I like the way it looks just with like a one swoop. So I just put a little on my hand, and then I just dab it on the eyelid. You can build it up if you want darker, but for me, I like to keep it pretty light. So I do dab this into the crease and on the lid. And then we're just blending, so there's no, like, this is super easy because you can just use your fingers. And that's what I like. That's it for the eyes. So I'm actually gonna do liquid liner for this look, which I haven't done liquid liner in a long time, so this could be very interesting. I'm gonna use the Benefit roller liner. I don't know how this is gonna go, guys. So do your liquid liner how you usually do it. I like to like lengthen my eyes. That's just kind of how I like to do it. So I'm gonna start people doing liquid liner, and I'm like, I can't do that. Okay, it's a little bit more intense than I wanted it to be. And also I can close this eye, but I can't close this eye, making things very difficult. BRB. Hi, sorry, back. That I had to get like one centimeter away from the mirror to do the eyeliner. Okay, that was interesting. I feel like, you know, sometimes it doesn't work out for you, and the times that it usually doesn't work out for me are the times that I am filming a video. Yeah. Anyway, eyebrows. I'm gonna brush my eyebrows out. I don't do my eyebrows, which I know everyone is offended by, but yeah. And then I'm gonna use I like to just make my eyebrows look really fluffy, so I'm gonna use the Nude Sticks eyebrow like gel thing. It's really good. Really, really good. I'm just gonna fluff them up. Have you guys heard of eyebrow lamination or something? Shrin was talking about it, and it looks very weird. Have you done it? Let me know. I need to know. Okay, I'm gonna powder my face now. I feel like it's the time. Using this Chanel powder, I've been using it for a long time, and I just like to powder places I know my makeup rubs off, or places I have like acne. I'm also gonna powder under my eyes. Oh, guys, it's not going well today for me. For highlight, I'm gonna use the Glossier Play Highlight in Pearl, I think it's called. Pale Pearl. And I really like this stuff. Put some on my hand, take my finger. I'm a big finger person. What? And I'm just gonna dab this, the high points of the cheekbone, a little bit under the brow, nose, cupid's bow, and then inner corner to just brighten it up. Mascara. I have lash extensions. Well, I have like 3 left, so my eyes might look a little crazy when I put mascara on. I'm gonna mix the Glossier Lash Slick and the Milk Kush. Again, this is one of those things that very difficult to do on camera. I like the Lash Slick. It like separates and definitely lengthens, which is how I like my lashes, but for this look, I really want a lot of volume. Guys, what am I doing today? I just got mascara all over my face. My eyes can't take another Q-tip. I'm also surprisingly going to put some on my bottom. Why not? Then I'm gonna leave that to dry on my face. I'm gonna go with the Kush to add some really crazy volume. Whenever I'm doing makeup looks like this, I just think about how hard it's gonna be to get off. Okay, so for lips, I want it to be like a berry kind of nude, so I'm gonna use the NARS lip liner in Larins? No, that's where it's made. Guys, this Precision? This doesn't have a name on it. That's weird. Looks like this. And I'm gonna line my lips. And hopefully the mix that I'm gonna do is the mix that I want. Some people are so sure when they're doing makeup looks, like, this is the color, blah, 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 and they practice, and I'm like, let's hope it works out. I feel like that's how most of us go into our makeup. Also, I have mirrors here if you haven't realized. But honestly, I'm a big fan of like these kind of makeup looks, because it's like, I feel like I can do them, you know? I'm gonna use Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk. Kind of interesting. It's pretty nice. I kind of want to add a little more berry to it, so just give me a second. Okay, so this is the Charlotte Tilbury thing in Walk of Shame. I'm just gonna add a bit to there you go. Yeah, I like that. I find that I have very hard lips to put makeup on. I don't know why. Sometimes I find it easier to just like go right over my cupid's bow so I don't have to deal with it, because it's like very pronounced and it's hard to put makeup on sometimes. Okay. And that is my holiday makeup. I just like how the eyes are just like super big and bold, and then the lips are like kind of a neutral, but kind of not. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you to Neutrogena for sponsoring this video. If you have any questions, leave them down below. And that's all I got for you. Follow me on Instagram if you haven't already, and I will talk to you in the next one. Peace and love. Bye.